Now we are moving to the last tense, that is simple future tense. Simple future tense. In future also we have 4 subdivisions. In that 4 subdivisions we have to learn only this tense, simple future tense, in how to change into passive voice. Okay? See, it is very simple. Please look at this example. Sheila will write a letter. Sheila will write a letter. In future tense, how do we write? A letter will be written by Sheila. See, what is the change here? Here we have used the word be plus V3 form of the verb. Okay. Look at the second sentence. They will build a house. How do we write? A house will be built by them. A house will be built by them. Okay, here also we used will be plus V3 form of the verb. Now, the third sentence, look at the here. Raju will buy a car. Raju will buy a car. A car will be by V3 form, bought. Will be bought by Raju. Okay. Any doubt? Raju will buy a car. How do we write? A car will be bought by Raju. Okay. Fourth sentence. Abhiram will sell the bike. How do we change? The bike will be sell. V3 form, sold. Sold by Abhiram. Then the fifth sentence, father will give the amount. How do we write? The amount will be given by father. Okay. Father will give the amount. How do we write? The amount will be given by father. Is it clear? Very simple. We have to use only the auxiliary. Which are the auxiliary we have to use in this type of sentence? Will or shall plus be plus V3 form of the verb. This one you have to remember. Look at Sheila will write a letter. A letter will be written by Sheila. They will build a house. A house will be built by them. Raju will buy a car. A car will be bought by Raju. Fourth sentence, Abhiram will sell the bike. The bike will be sold by Abhiram. Father will give the amount. The amount will be given by father. Hope all of you understood. Okay, then I will give you 5 more questions to practice. Please note it down. Okay, please note down the questions for practice. First question, I shall write an essay. I shall write an essay. Second question, Unni will teach English grammar. And the third question, we will edit the notes. We will edit the notes. Fourth question, Adi will win first rank. Adi will win first rank. And the fifth question, Sanju will supply the food. Please write down these 5 questions and try to answer. Please write it fast, and after that we can discuss the answers. Okay. I shall write an essay. How do we write this? Okay. An essay. Essay. Which is the auxiliary we have to use? Will or shall? Will. Okay. Essay will be written by me. Okay. Will be written by me. And Unni will teach English grammar. How do we write? English grammar will be teach, V3 form of teach, taught. Okay. Taught by me. Okay. Check your answer. Is it right? Okay. Good. We will edit the notes. We will edit the notes. How do we change? The notes will be edited. Will be edited by us. The notes will be edited. That's enough. We will edit the notes. How do we change? The notes will be edited. Check your answer. Is it right? Okay, good. Now the fourth sentence, Adi will win first rank. Adi will win first rank. How do we write? First rank will be won by Adi. Okay. Adi will win first rank. How do we write? First rank will be won by Adi. Okay. Now look at the last sentence. Sanju will supply the food. Sanju will supply the food. Please tell me your answer. Yes, you are right. The food will be supplied by Sanju. Okay. Have you all written all these 5 answers correctly? Very good. Well done, well done. Hope you understood these tense changes and the session active and passive voice. In future tense, we have other 3 tenses also. That is future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tenses. Out of these 4 tenses, we have to focus mainly the simple future tense. Other future perfect tense also has passive voice. That is not much important. So, you have to focus mainly this simple future tense. Hope all of you understood this session and prepare well. Practice more questions. Thank you. Now, all of you, please go through the chart given here, which will help you to understand all the changes very clearly. Please go through the chart and understand it. Thank you.